Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Wati Anggraini. I am the student of the 6th semester of English Department at Madako University. In this video, I would like to explain the material about Deixis. Check it out. The meaning of Deixis. What is Deixis? Deixis is referenced by means of an expression whose interpretation is relative to the extralinguistic context of the utterance, such as who is speaking, the time or place of speaking, the gesture of the speaking, or the current location in the discourse. The types of deixis. The first is special deixis, the second is personal deixis, the third is social deixis, and the last is temporal deixis. The first is spatial deixis. The concept of distance already mentioned is carefully relevant to spatial deixis, where the relative location of people and things is being indicated. Spatial deixis concern itself with the spatial location relevant to an utterance. Similarly to personal deixis, locational by mean either tools of the speaker and address or tools of person or object being referred to. The most silent English. The example of spatial deixis. The first is, I enjoy living this city. Here is where we will place the status, and then she was sitting over there. Unless otherwise specific, spatial lexical terms are generally understood to be relative to the location of the speaker. The shop is across the street, where across the street is understood to mean across the street from the where the speaker I'm right now. The second deixis is personal deixis. Personal deixis concerns the including of the role of participant in the speech event in which the utterance is in the question delivered. We find that person deixis currently operates on a basic three-part division by the pronouns for first person, second person, and the third person. The fourth person. Fourth person deixis is a deixis reference which refers to the speaker himself. Fourth person here is the speaker in utterance as the sender of the message. By using fourth person pronouns, the speaker refers to himself as a participant. Fourth person deixis is deictic that refers to the speaker marked by the use of the word I, or both the speakers and reference group with the speakers marked by the use of the word we. The example of the fourth person. I hardly know you, we are here for you, and then we can do it. Second person. Second person deixis is person identified as address. Second person is the encoding of the speaker's reference to one or more address. The example of second person, you should see it. And then third person. Third person is not a direct participant in basic I until you. Interaction and being and outside is necessarily more distant. The example of third person. They are your parents. He moved to Amsterdam, and the last, she was small and brunette. Social deixis. Social deixis does not deal with three main components: person, place, and time. of the coordinate system of subjective orientation, but they show how different social rankings and the participant of communication other relationships within society via language. There are two basic kinds of social deixis: information that seems to be encoded in language around the world. They are relational social deixis. Relational social deixis is a deixis reference to some social characteristic or deictic reference to a social relationship between the speakers and address. The example, my husband, teacher, and cousin. Absolute social deixis is a deictic reference usually expressed in certain forms of address which will include no complaint of the ranking of the speaker and address. The example, Your Highness, Mr. President, and Your Majesty. And the last deixis is temporal deixis. Temporal deixis using temporal form indicate both of time coinciding with the speaker utterance and the time of the speaker's voice heard. In English, there are two basic forms. There are the present and the past. The present tense is the proximal form and the past is the distal form. The forms of temporal deixis like now, then, yesterday, tomorrow, today, tonight, next week, last week, and this week. The example of temporal deixis like I want to see you again tonight. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.